Now we will be understanding about what is front end, what is back end, and today what we are going to continue. So first we'll understand the front end, because now we will be covering the whole front end things. We'll start with this. Okay. So front end basically focus on the whatever user sees or whatever user interact with a in a browser. Whenever you interact with anything, any website, that is nothing but this a front end. Okay, whichever we see, whatever the user is interacting with, that is the basically the front end developer creates. Okay, I hope you got it. If you're designing, suppose the layout, if you want to change the color, fonts, buttons, overall the whole, even the user interface, the whatever it creates, that is being done by the basically the front end developer. Okay, I hope you got it. What are the different categories we have in the website development, and what we are going to continue today or the few weeks, and what basically the front end development is. Yes, anyone is having any doubt? And another thing, our session will be very interactive. I want whenever I ask any question, please answer me. You don't need to unmute yourself, but please answer in the chat section. Okay? Oh, great. So I hope you got it, right? These are the basic things. Okay, great. Now, let me share my screen. Okay. So when we start creating this user interface, okay, we will be basically covering three main technologies or three main things which we are going to use. The first is the HTML. What is HTML? This is the hypertext markup language. So what we do using this language, we create a structure. Okay, we create a structure. For example, suppose you want to start constructing your home. So what you do first? You create the structure, right? What is the main thing? First, the main base. For the base, what you need to do? First, you need to give a foundation, then the pillars, then the walls, then windows, doors, floor, ceiling, all these small things, right? So all these small things, when we collectively take it, it called a structure. Okay. So similarly, whenever we are going to create a application, we first are going to do, we are going to create the structure. And that when we create a structure, that is done using the language called HTML. Okay. So HTML is the thing using which we basically create the structure, basically create the layout of our main web application. Is it okay? Got it? What this HTML and how it help us? Oh, now next is the CSS. What is the CSS? Cascading style sheet. Okay. So CSS is basically used for styling. Now suppose you have already constructed your this home. Okay, you have done, you have created it. Next, what you want to do? You want to make it look visually appealing, right? For that, what you will do? You will do some coloring stuff inside. You will color. You will paint your home. You will add some this